Hello, the teacher and everyone present. We are Team Flow and we're going to talk about the improvement we implemented in the company Aquario Angel. And well, my team is made up of Omar, Alejandro, Juárez, García, Reyna, Paola, Ledezma, Lara, Talia, Dahena, Olmos, Mojarro, Cynthia, Jailene, Rodríguez, Romo, and a server, Eduardo, Alejandro, López, Avila. Well, first, what is Aquario Angel? The Aquario Angel is a business dedicated to the sale of fish, accessories, and aquarium products. It also offers installation, maintenance, and specialist consulting services for the care of aquatic pets. Its main focus is to ensure the well-being of animals by promoting responsible practices and providing also customers with an informative shopping experience. And with 22 years of experience in the fish and aquatic pet products and the service sector, it has established itself as a local market leader, and also the business operates 2 locations and both in Aguascalientes. Introduction to the problem.
Identifying the problem, disorganization, and lack of standardized processes. Consequence: impacts operational efficiency, response time, and service quality. What we meant here is that at the Angel Aquarium, there is significant internal disorganization that affects both the work environment and the customer experience. The lack of standardized procedures in customer service and inventory management leads to long wait times and causes dissatisfaction among users. Furthermore, the absence of clear processes increases the operational burden on employees who lack adequate training, perform their duties efficiently. There are also deficiencies in inventory control and product maintenance, which negatively impact the supply chain. Key data about the organization's service process. Angel Aquarium is a micro-enterprise located in Aguascalientes, Mexico, dedicated to animal care. Its mission is to offer a healthy and happy home for fish and other aquatic pets, providing a wide range of high-quality products and services. The company aims to foster a passion for caring for fish and the animal world by offering expert knowledge, innovative products, and an inspiring environment for its customers. The aquarium stands out for its customer service and its commitment to animal welfare. Customers appreciate the wide variety of fish and accessories available, as well as the staff's willingness to offer advice. The company has 2 branches in Aguascalientes, one located on Avila Boulevard and the other in the Bonanza Market. Both are located in Pilar Blanco. In addition to their focus on pet care, Aquario Angel offers a clean and organized environment, which contributes to a pleasant shopping experience for customers. Their vision is to become a national benchmark in the industry, recognized for their passion, ethics, commitment, and dedication to the well-being of aquatic animals and their owners. They aspire to be a preferred destination for fish enthusiasts and aquatic pet lovers, constantly seeking to expand their range of products, services, and knowledge, offering excellent experiences for their customers. The company also strives to be a leader in the care of fish and pets, contributing to the protection of aquatic ecosystems throughout the country. Aquario Angel employs a small team of 7 people and aims to become a benchmark in their sector. It is committed to continuous improvement and innovation in order to achieve greater customer satisfaction and contribute positively to the community and the environment.
Organization structure. The organization structure, the Aquario Angel is small and based on key roles such as management, partners, and general employees. This structure needs to be optimized to improve operational efficiency. Current process. At the aquarium, currently the process within Aquario Angel do not follow standards. Customer service is more reactive than proactive. Customers and provide information. On the other hand, aquarium maintains essentials for the well-being on the fish, and the quality of service is not carried out under standardized out protocol. Employees have this process in provisionals depending on the time available, which can affect the health of the animals as a result of the lack of organizations. Operations do not flow efficiently. directly impacting the customer's experience or also satisfaction. Impact on the supply chain. Impact of disorganizations. Disorganizations has a significant impact on various aspects of the business. Firstly, it affects operations efficiency, leads to longer wait times for customers, and makes inventory management more difficult.
Effects on service quality. The lack of organization also results in visible issues, such as disorganized sales areas, which affects the customer experience and also the quality of service they offer.
Consequence on customer satisfaction. Due to these operational problems, we have observed a decrease in your customer satisfaction. Complaints about slow service are frequent, which can lead to loss of customers and sales. Conclusions and improvement proposal. The cause and effect diagram and the 5 whys method reveal that the main uses stem from disorganization, lack of standardized process, and insufficient staff training. There are no documented procedures or fixed schedules for training and maintenance. Tasks are performed without structure, tools are in poor conditions, and filtration systems require frequent repairs without tool inspections. Staff lack specific training and have unclear roles, leading to confusion. The workspace is disorganized, lacking signage and labeling, and there is no inventory control or replenishment system, resulting in short days. Additionally, tasks are neither prepared nor supervised, and work times or efficiency are not measured.
Improvement proposal. After identify the problems and opportunities for improvement, we define an action plan with specific activities, responsible parties, and implementation timelines. This will allow us to improve the efficiency of Aquario Angel and optimize its process. The plan lasts a total of 7 weeks plus once per month thereafter. First, we will review and improve the current procedure, the optimize workflow. Next, we will train the staff in the 5S methodology, which will help maintain order and cleanliness in the workspace. We will also implement new work tools and restructure the physical space to improve organization. Then, the physical space will be restored by organizing it properly. Finally, we will apply continuous evaluation to adjust process based on the result obtained. Expected benefits. Implementing the 5S methodology will bring significant benefits such as improvement operational efficiency, faster customer service, and ultimately greater customer satisfaction. Conclusion and improvement proposal. In conclusion, the analysis of the current process and Aquario Angel reveals several areas for improvement. The lack of standardization in customer service, inventory management, and aquarium maintenance has caused inconsistencies in customer experience and resource control. Improvement proposal. Implementation of 5S. Adopt the 5S organization system to improve efficiency and organization in work areas. Inventory automation. Implement a digital inventory management system to monitor availability in products and animals in real time. Documentation of procedures. Formalize case process by creating standard operating procedures, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Continuous training. Preview regular training in customer service, inventory management, and aquarium maintenance. Quality control. Establish a quality control system to evaluate service and products, ensuring high standards of customer satisfaction and welfare. Improvement in customer service. Structure the customer service process and use a customer relationships management system to improve personalization and follow-up.
Define and measure. Kano analysis model. The Kano model is divided into two tables. The first table shows how customers of Angel Aquarium perceive different aspects of the logistics service. Attributes such as on-time delivery and inventory availability are fundamental because customers take them for granted and get upset if they fail. These are the basic needs. Meanwhile, factors like staff training or service speed generate greater satisfaction when they are carried out. These are the performance needs. Surprise elements, such as exclusive products, are not expected. Generally, they increase satisfaction and loyalty when present. These are the attractive needs. Finally, there are aspects like warehouse organization or management software, which, while important for internal operations, are indifferent to customers unless they directly affect their experience. The second table organizes the service attributes into categories according to the Kano model, which guides the main improvement priorities. Basic attributes such as on-time deliveries and stock availability are essential to avoid dissatisfaction. Performance attributes, such as reducing wait times, allow for a gradual increase in satisfaction. Attractive attributes, such as customized production, offer opportunities to differentiate and surprise customers. Indifferent attributes, although necessary for the business, do not directly impact the customer's perception. Therefore, this classification helps Aquario Angel focus resources where they really matter. First, ensure the essentials, then optimize what is valuable. Finally, add innovative elements that make a difference.
CTQ needs 3. Aquario Angel's plans has 3 parts to give good quality. The main goal is to give fast and organization service. It focuses in always having products, banking, keeping things clean, and giving expert help. They don't test by checking inventory, staying organized, and trying workers often.
Value stream mapping. This tool is used to analyze design and improve the flow of materials and information within a production or service system. And in the case of Aquario Angel, it shows the flow of 200 pieces weekly, from the first process, which is reception, to the last, which is delivery. And it identifies that while individual processes are relatively agile, and the transitions between stages cause delays. And additionally, there are 7 processes that are reception, registration, storage, customer service, sales, packaging, and also delivery. And furthermore, the product catalog helped complete 2 key processes. There are reception and registration, ensuring accuracy from the start. Although, each stage handles the complete order, and the main inefficiencies are not in the individual processes, but in the lack of synchronization between teams, causing delays.
SIPOC diagram. This diagram shows the full work process at Aquario Angel. It has 5 parts: suppliers who give this product, the step to change the products, and the final customs, like stores of people who like fish. It helps to see how everything is connected, from keeping animals safe and clean when they arrive to sending them with good and clear delivery plans. This helps to the company work the same way every time, make fewer mistakes, and make sure everyone inside and outside the company knows the rules and quality needed in the aquarium world. The process is called full logistic flow at Aquarium Angel. KPIs and gaps. This slide summarizes our key performance indicators and areas for improvement. We aim to become more efficient, reduce errors, improve customer service, and ensure organization and safe workspace. Currently, we face issues like manual inventory, long service times, and disorganized areas, and limit staff training. To address this, we'll implement digital systems, reducing workflows, run practical workshops, and train of the staff. The goal is to close these gaps and achieve a more agile and efficient operations.
Summary of main findings and conclusions. Thanks to the analysis at Aquarium Angel, issues were identified in operations, customer service, and animal welfare. In operations, the lack of order and standardization leads to a daily loss of 15 minutes per employee and a 20% mistake rate in manual inventory. In customer service, although the NPS is 8 out of 10, and there are complaints about delays and disorganization. In animal welfare, 12% of sanitary incidents are due to unclear protocols. And well, the Kano model showed that product availability and on-time deliveries are essential, while service speed is a performance factor. And then, the value stream mapping revealed the most delays occur between logistical processes, especially between registration and storage. And then, the CPOC diagram confirmed poor integration among suppliers, internal processes, and also the customers. And finally, to improve, it's proposed to implement 5S and digitalization and also training. These actions aim to reduce search time from 15 to 5 minutes, increase inventory accuracy to 99%, cut service time from 10 to 3 minutes, and also lower sanitary incidents from 12% until to 3%.
Correlation analysis. Continuous improvement process of the logistics service at Aquario Angel. The need was identified to analyze the relation between the time each logistical process takes and the number of operational errors detected. To do this, simulate that table was the signal representing different key processes in the logistics area, recording two main variables. Number one, process time minutes, average duration of each process. Number two, detect errors, number of faults or problems recorded in that process. Draw simple correlation and analysis in the mini-tab. The aim is to establishing whether there is a statistically significant relationship between the time invested in each stage and the frequency of errors, which will allow prioritizing improvement actions in those. This was the result of performing the correlation analysis. Number one, moderate positive relationship between delivery times and errors. The analysis showed a positive correlation between the time and logistic process takes and the number of errors detected. Number two, clear Clear linear relationship. The scatter plot visually confirms this relationship with points following an upward line. Therefore, longer process tend to have more faults. Number 3. Identify improvement priorities. Areas with prolonged time and high errors are ideal candidates to implement improvement strategies such as standardization of procedures, staff training, and automation of or digitalization of records. The data that Minitag gave used when we calculated the process.
Improve. Prioritization matrix. Interpretation. Quick wins or implementing 5S and creating checklists are quick and easy improvements with a high impact and should be done first. Strategic projects or training, digitalization, documentation, and physical reorganization require more effort but generate sustainable benefits and should be planned. Low priority. Action with little impact or that don't directly address the root causes weight. Avoid for now. Increasing inventory involves high cost and doesn't address operation error and is not priority explanation of the use of these improvement tools. The priority matrix was chosen in the improvement stage because a comprehensive analysis of the problem and Aquarium Angeles and had already been done using tools like the cause and effect diagram, the Kano model, the BSM, and correlation analysis. After that, several actions were generated to improve the process. The matrix helps you organize and decide which action should be done first. Considering two things: the effort required and the impact they have. This way, we can start with improvement that deliver quick results and plan more careful tools that need more work and resource. Control plan. The control plan is a key tool in the improvement phase because its main objective is to ensure that all implemented improvements are maintained over time, thus preventing the organization from preventing the reviews or inefficient practices. In this case, the control plan was specifically designed to monitor the 6 improvement action actually implemented, which were selected through the prioritization matrix. It is important to highlight that these improvements range from workspace reorganization to the digitalization of all to case process, such as inventory control. Sustainability of improvements prevents the business from returning to disordered or operation errors. Continuous monitoring allows for quick detection of deviation or failures to take correct action. Clarity of responsibility. Everyone knows what to monitor and when to do it, which helps foster team commitment. Quality standard increases consistency in customer service and operation efficiency. Continuous improvement serves as foundation for going process optimization and reinforces an organizational cultural focuses on quality.
Next, let's look at Pocayoke. To improve Aquario Angel, Pocayoke devices were implemented. Tools that prevent human errors and can be easily integrated into daily work, ensuring that tasks are done correctly from the start. Color-coded labels were applied to organize materials, mandatory checklists to prevent omissions in deliveries, automatic random inventory checks to avoid shortages, visual manuals with clear instructions, and physical dividers to prevent product mix-ups. These important and valuable tools substantially improve overall service quality, make staff work noticeably easier, strongly support the 5S methodology and the control plan, help to prevent errors, significantly reduce unnecessary rework and wasted time, and also increase safety, order, and operational efficiency. In this way, Pocayoke devices organize improvements, remain reliable, minimize failures, and ensure quality standards in all operations.
Final conclusion. And well, in conclusion, our project helped improve the business Aquario Angel from the very first analysis to the last. Notably, at the beginning, we review each key process using Lean Six Sigma tools and identify issues such as bottlenecks, waste, and also areas needing improvement. Then, we apply the 5S philosophy, digitalize inventory control, and train the team. We also establish indicators and controls to ensure all progress was sustained. And finally, we recognize that thanks to this team project, we not only made changes in structure and technology, but also created a culture of continuous improvement, and always focusing on the customer and animal welfare. And well, with this, we strengthened our skills in process analysis, collaboration, and leadership, leaving the aquarium with much faster, more accurate, and also sustainable operations. Before finishing, here are the links to watch our video, a QR code, and a direct YouTube link. And well, that will be all from our side. Thank you very much for your attention.